Hey guys, Ricardo here with Ajax Mazda, and it's my pleasure to introduce you to Mazda's brand new, first ever CX-90. I know what you're asking yourself. What makes a CX-90 any different than any car that we put before? Where that's going to start is going to be right here. This is the first ever 3.3 liter inline-6 engine that Mazda has produced, which gives you a phenomenal 9.5 fuel efficiency rating. Now, to put that into perspective, its predecessor, the CX-9, used to give you a 10.5 on a 2.5 four-cylinder engine. So, look at that. You have a bigger car with a bigger motor giving you better fuel efficiency. How did Mazda achieve that? They did that with their new M Hybrid Boost. Now guys, that's not where the fun ends. Not only is Mazda giving you one of the most powerfulest engines ever, you're also getting its first ever rear-wheel drive platform with this 8-speed automatic transmission. Now follow me inside, let's see where the magic happens. With Mazda's new driver personalization system, your interior and cockpit will always make sure you're at the ideal driving position. Another new safety feature you get is Mazda's new see-through view. With the see-through view, it gives you an outline of the vehicle's body, which helps you gauge the surroundings around you easier. Along with turning across path and secondary collision reduction system, these are some of the features that make this the safest Mazda ever. With its bold front end and dynamic proportions, the look of the CX-90 will not only help you stand out from all other Mazdas, but every other vehicle on the road. Well guys, hope you've enjoyed this quick little video we've done here on the CX-90. These are ready to order, so if you have any questions or are interested in test driving or placing one for yourself, please visit ajaxmazda.com or give us a call at 905-428-0088.